everybody, and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. Guys, today's video is going to be so small. Honestly, it's going to be like one of the smallest ones I've ever done, but nonetheless, like, we will do it. It has to be done. Guys, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and a huge thank you to those of you who have recently joined in this little community of Cash Stuffing. I love having you here. I love having the chats with you in the comments. You all have been so incredibly kind. So before we get into today's cash stuff, and let's actually see how much money we have and go through that. Now, I only did one day's work last week, but I was lucky that I did put 30 aside from the week before, just because I was like, just in case. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that's handy. Let's just double check that again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Perfect. So we don't exactly have a lot to work with. So it is what it is. I thought I had 100, but turns out I only had 90. Oh well, there we have it. Anyhow, guys, this week everybody in my house has been so sick. Like, we've literally had such a week of sickness. I'm so done with it. Honestly, I don't feel exactly good today myself either. But, you know, we'll be fine. So I haven't gone out and done any shopping this week, so I still have money left over from last week. So I'm only going to actually put £30 into the food shopping, just so that we're not like totally... I had budgeted for 40, thinking I had 100, but now that I see I haven't actually used last week's, we're going to put this week's to it as well, and that will be fine. Council tax is getting a tenner because, as I said before, I already actually have the year's one paid off. Now I'm just saving for the next year, whenever that comes in. Argos is getting a tenner. Not doing too bad with the Argos. It's nearly there. I think I have about £80 left on her. And then I'm really getting rid of it this time. Jesus, that thing keeps coming back to haunt me. But you know what? It's handy when I need it. Very is getting a tenner as well. I actually recently paid off Very. Put what I had in there. 10 is going for the water. Here's my water bill. There we go. And 20 is going to childcare. So at least I was able to keep all my other bills relatively in check. Now, there is no sinking fund this week because there is literally no money. That is it. That is it, I'm afraid. For the penny challenge, oh, I'm not expecting good things, lads. I'm really not. But sure, look, we'll have a look and see. Oh, 20p, lads, 20p. Sure, look, we'll mark her off anyway, because you know what? Every penny counts. Where is it now? Can we see here? 20p. Lord bless us, lads. Hasn't this been a dire week? But sure, you know what? We're motoring along. We're trying our best. Like, it's all we can do. Nobody in my house feels exactly good or healthy, should I say. So until everybody gets back to themselves, like, I'm not going to be able to do a full week's work, which is going to be a pain. But sure, look, what can you do? Anyhow, guys, thank you again so much for your support in the last couple of videos, and for the future videos, I know you'll support them too. And I just want to say a huge thank you to that, because you know what, it's amazing. I love having you here. And also, thank you for just sticking around. You know, it's been amazing. And I love you all, and thank you so much. Yeah, so just thank you. That's all I can say, really. I shall talk to you on my next video, and hopefully we'll have a decent amount of wages. Talk to you real soon, guys. Bye.